वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता गोवन क्रिसमस स्वीट्स कलकल. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल गोवन कलकल विदाउट एग्स. ओके, एगलेस कलकल. So kalkal is basically made out of coconut juice. This is white flour, that is maida, and some semolina. So I am going to make out of 2 cups of maida. So this is 1 cup. And this is the other cup. So 2 cups of maida. And we will add in this 2 tablespoons of semolina, that is rava. So I am taking 2 tablespoons of rava. Salt to taste. So mix this together all. Then we need coconut juice or coconut milk, you can say. Coconut juice, thick coconut juice. So this is of around 1 coconut. I have taken thick coconut juice. The coconut was big. Now we need some ghee to this. So I am adding around 2 teaspoons of ghee in this, because I want a crunchiness. So let's together only mix all this first, because I want crispy, crunchy kalkal without sugar and without eggs. Ghee or oil you can use. Some people wants to add butter, you can add butter too, but I prefer ghee. So now to knead this, we will take measurements how you want. So I am taking first 1 teaspoon of coconut, and I will tell you how many tablespoons I have used to make this kalkal. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us first mix this and see. If we need, then we will add more. First only don't add. So already we have added 7 of tablespoon of coconut juice. 8. So at the moment it is 12 tablespoons. So we'll add more. And get this together. So 16 now, but I think so we will be needing little bit more. तर हांवें आतां 16 कुलेरां घेतल्या आमचो कोकनट नाल्लाचो रोस पळय हांव तुमकां कुलेरान दाखयता कित्याक तुमकां मागीर म्हणटकीर तुमी एक कपाचे अंदाज येयना सो हांव इल्लें इल्लें घालून तुमकां दाखयता आनी पीठ जेन्ना कसलें पण मोवता तेन्ना इल्लें इल्लें उदक जावं रोस जावं इल्लो इल्लोच घालून मोवंक जावं 17 18 So I will add little more now, 18 no. So I will see this here and so total 19 coconut tablespoon. Okay. Now we'll mix this up. Now we'll knead this and keep this for 30 minutes. Cover it with the mol a cloth so it doesn't get dry. Apply some ghee and we will leave this for proving it. So another 1 teaspoon of ghee. So this is after 3 hours. I kept it 3 hours, but you can keep it for few hours. Then you need some combs. How many members are there? So you take this brand new combs, okay, and you keep this then for every year. You can store it or whatever. Wash the brand new combs, and then you'll do it. So take a smallest ball. So the more small, the more kulkuls will become better. And you give a shape like this. So either this way and tiny. See that you will make it tiny because once you fry it becomes little bit fatter on the it blooms like. So take the tiniest one. So this is like rolling it this way. Then you get that design. I will do it the other way. So first 2 I did this way, right? Now I will see this way. So if you want another design, then this way. So in one comb you can make 2 types of design. After this, you have to heat oil, make it hot, then bring it to medium flame and then fry it. तर अहे शेप तुमकां जोही जाय तोही तुमी दियात कलकलाक. ओके, ओही दिवशी जाल्यार अशी येतली शेप. भाजतकूच मातशी ती मोठी जातात. ताका लागून जाता तितले बारीक करात. मोठे करशात जाल्यार मोठे जातले. बारीक कलकल जाय जाल्यार बारीक करात. हे बॉल्स करता पळय ते. आनी डिझायन तुमचेर आसा कशी करूंक जाय पळय ती. कलकलाची डिझायन एक्चुअली अशी आसता किड्या भाशेन. ताका रॅप आनी कॉर्मला कोणाक करूंक जाय जाल्यार हेजीत करूं येता. स्क्वेरान करूंक जाय. मागीर तांकां अशें शेप करात. अशें करून ट्विस्ट दियात. सो ही जाता कॉर्मला. So whatever shapes you all want to give, please do it and enjoy making this kalkal. Now I'll do the other rest. We'll all do in a group, me, our daughter and my husband, and we are going to complete this because so much of atta, so we'll get lot of quantity to make. सगळीं जाणां बसात, फॅमिली सोबत ग्रुपान बसात आनी करात जाल्यार हें रोखडें जातलें. एकलें करीत जाल्यार मातशें त्रास जाता. भुरग्यांनी आनी घोवांनी सगल्यांनी हेल्प करूंक जाय ह्या टायमार आपणाच्या सांगातीक हें सगळें करपाक कुसवार. तेन्ना मातशें इजी पडटा. फ्रायंग प्रोसिजर. So now this will go in hot oil. So I have kept oil over here. Okay, so you can take that 1 liter of oil and make it hot. The oil has to be hot and then we'll make it into medium flame. I will add this to try. Keep all this ready. So now we'll add the other one. Flame should be medium. So like this only fry all the kulkuls. तर हेत मातशे कलकल भाजून घेयात. सो हितून साखर ना तांती ना. So eggless and this is without sugar. So once it is golden brown, that time you have to remove this. Okay. So this is almost done. And I will remove this. So now our kulkul is ready. Okay, and we will remove this, and then you can store it into a nice dabba or a tin or a bottle airtight. So here is our kulkul ready. आमचे kulkul ready आसा आणि kormola पण तयार आसा. And enjoy your kulkul for this Christmas. Thank you so much. And देव बरें करूं. Here is our kulkul. I'll show you how it makes sound. It's so crispy. And you can see. Very crunchy. So enjoy your kulkul without sugar and without eggs. Serve it nicely. Thank you. Dev bare karo.